Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to do the speed test and the RAM management test comparison between the Realme GT versus Realme X1 Max device. So this is a question which has been requested by a few of my subscribers asking me to compare the Realme UI 3.0 versus the Realme UI 2.0. Is there any kind of difference between the RAM management and the speed test or not? So right now I did install the early access beta version for this Realme UI 3.0 and this is not the final stable version, so definitely maybe 50-50 chances that it can be improved in the final stable version, but I cannot guarantee on that. So right now I did install, as you can see, Realme UI 3.0 in this device, and the Realme X1 Max is still running the Realme UI 2.0, and maybe in the November and December we may get the early access update, so don't worry about those. So right now let me to first start with the basic test, which is a restart test. So the animation got changed in the latest Realme UI 3.0, and right now I'll be trying to test 15 applications as a speed test and as a RAM management test. So just to check how many applications can actually the phone can store. So you might be wondering for which phone can actually store 15 applications. Yes, there are certain phones which can actually store 15, not only 15, 50 applications as well in the background RAM management. It always depends upon the UI optimization only, not on the processor. So don't worry about the processor. So UI optimization is the one thing. They are really a powerful stock UI. That's best example. Stock UI is the one which was able to store 40 applications, and even the FunTouch UI also can store 40 place applications in the background RAM management. So I just thought of informing you this kind of information, and let me need to clear everything from the process manager because we should clean. So all the applications are completely cleared in the process manager. Let me just search for process manager. Yes, it is a process manager. So all the apps are completely cleared from the background and everything, all the process manager and everything, as you can see. Let me to clear this one as well. So right now available amount of RAM you can clearly see, and I'm trying to use external RAM capabilities. Let me try to use external RAM capabilities. So even that doesn't make any kind of difference as well using the external RAM capabilities. Let me try to restart this device first because I just want to use 5 GB. So I do know 5 GB doesn't make any kind of difference, nothing at all. So again, I don't want to get the message saying not equal. That's the reason I'm trying to do the restart again. Not even 1% the external expansion of the RAM will be useful. So don't worry about that. Even if you don't get any kind of update in old phones, in the Realme phones, you should not be worried. That doesn't make any kind of sense. So expand a RAM. Not even one application with and without, I cannot see any kind of difference. Yes, I tried so many testing, not even one application got improved in terms of the RAM management. So process manager, everything is completely clean. So perfect. Now it's good to go. Between both phones, testing 15 applications one by one. So let's start the test first with the Google Chrome application. And Snapdragon 888 processor versus Dimensity 1200 chipset. You might be seeing the difference a little bit, and forgot totally, sorry. So both phones should be connected to the same kind of Wi-Fi network. So I did remember just now. So both are connected to 2.4 gigahertz. I forgot to show you that exact thing. Yes. So let me try to keep some random mobile phone in the background. And next is a Prime videos. And let's keep this in the background. And Facebook. Flipkart, let's keep mobiles, YouTube, and fast. So fast is the internet speed test, of course, you do know. So same Wi-Fi network I did connect at this moment exactly, and we are getting this kind of speeds. So I just want to keep this score in the background only. That's the main reason why I'm doing this kind of testing. So not to judge these phones based on this result. So don't worry, I'm not judging. So the first Realme X1 Max did finish the test. Next the Realme GT finished the test. Myntra application and Spotify and Instagram, Adobe Reader. Let's keep this zoom in inside. Somewhere around here. Zoom, not bad. It took some time. And in this speed test, I'll try to keep these results in the background. The weather application, Finally is the Canvas application. So these are the 15 applications which I did open at this moment. I did not include the Geek benchmark because previously if I try to include the Geek benchmark, it used to delete a few of the applications from the background. That's the reason few users asked me, can you not include Geek benchmark? That's the reason I did not include at this moment. So finally, here are the 15 applications which I did open. Yes, if you don't include the Geek benchmark, it's not crashing. So few of the applications, they will clear the background RAM management before performing any kind of benchmarks. So that's the quite example in the Realme phones. So these are the 15 applications, and when I'm trying to switch between this kind of multitasking, I can actually feel the haptic feedback coming in the phone because of the Realme UI 3.0. That's the latest version. So let's start from the last application. Let's go in the reverse manner. How many applications will be staying in the background RAM management? So how many layers? So usually 10 applications should not be any kind of big task. So first layer has been finished successfully, and let's move to the next layer. Instagram, Spotify they're not getting refreshed. As you can see, exactly it's showing as it is. Even YouTube application also as it is. So till now, 2 layers, no change in terms of the refreshing, nothing at all. Exact instant they did open. And next move to the Flipkart. Flipkart slightly took some time in the Realme GT, little bit to open. Next is a Facebook, not an issue. Next is Amazon Prime videos. So is Amazon Prime 1, 2 and 3. So both phones were able to keep Amazon Prime in the background, no issues. Next is the Amazon application. Amazon application, no, it's not there in the background RAM management. I did keep those phones, right? So it's not showing there. So overall, I think the Realme phones, maybe up to 13 applications, they were there in the background. Not bad. So 13 also not a joke, friends. So 13 also really good because most of the people, they won't be using this many applications. Maybe in between 5 to 10 applications might be there in the background RAM management, not more than usually. So these are the quick RAM management test comparison between both phones. So both phones, Realme UI 3.0 and 2.0, there is no improvement in the RAM management. Exactly same. Till 13 applications it was able to open, and it didn't open the 14th application. Let's move to the Canvas again. Let's see what happens this application, whether this will be staying in the RAM management or not. 1, 2 and 3. It's there in both phones. It took some time in the Realme X and Max, but it's there in both phones. What about the weather? Yes. It was able to keep even the last applications also in the background RAM management. So they did not let close. So Realme GT did close in the Realme UI. Adobe Reader, no change. Instagram, no. Spotify, both phones got refreshed. Myntra, Realme GT. So most of the time the Realme GT was able to, it's reloading again. But the Realme X and Max, it's not reloading. So that's friends, this is a quick comparison between both phones. I think you got understand what is happening in the Realme. So this is just a early access beta version only, Realme UI 3.0, so we cannot blame anything. So maybe after the stable version, we can definitely blame everything. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and I'll see you in the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. This is a quick comparison, and overall the RAM management is really good. So I mean, it was kind of okay. 13 applications, no issues. See you in the next video and let's stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, signing off and bye.